In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the space between elements on a Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. After logging in, click Website, select Edit Site and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add and customize on your pages. To add more space between two elements, locate the spacer element in the left panel. Drag and drop it between the elements where you want extra spacing. After placing the spacer, click on it to select it. Then drag its resize handle up or down to decrease or increase the amount of vertical space. You can move the spacer or adjust its height until your layout looks the way you want. If you want a visible separation instead of blank space, you can use the divider element. Drag it between your content and customize its appearance if needed. Once you're satisfied with the spacing, save and publish your website so the changes appear live. That's how to adjust the space between elements on a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.